So this is USDCAD analysis for Monday the 15th of January. Now let's have a look what our prices. So we saw this very strong bearish candle. We've had the recovery, upside continuation in validating this candle. We've had a pullback. What we did see was, so we've got a pullback from there, another pullback there as well. So the sell side momentum coming to the market, would have expected a move up towards that 26.22. We didn't. However, we did see a prices fell and prices traded below this 125 level. We were trading above 125.30. We have traded, so we see our price reacting around this 125 level. We've already gone past 125, so we'll see our price reacting around 124.26. We've already traded below the 200 period moving average. If we don't find support at 24.26, we'll see our prices react all the way down to our previous swing lows here in around 23.50. Just to see if we do find support there. If, however, we do see there we go. So we've had a move upwards. We've had a pullback here. So again, we were looking to see our price react around 24.26, 23.34. Again, to the downside, we'll look at see our prices reacting around those levels where we do see some bullish buy side momentum. And again, to the upside, we'll see our price react towards the 400 period moving average coupled with 26.22, beyond which we look for 26.70 and 127. Those are pretty much the levels that I would be looking at here on Monday the 15th of January. Now let's just have a look at so we've got the monthly chart. Spare with me a second here. There we are. So let's just have a look at the higher time frame. So on this monthly chart, we can see here, so we've got these highs here. We've had prices break down. We've had a brief recovery late 2017. We've had a move upwards, but we are seeing the sell side momentum come back into the market. We've had a strong close to the previous month's low. A very strong bearish close to the previous month, and we do seem poised for more downside momentum, possibly heading towards that 120 level. But that's a medium to long term target on US dollar CAD. At present, we do seem poised for further downside momentum on the US dollar against the Canadian dollar here on the monthly chart. So we head over to the weekly. So on this weekly chart here, you can see, so we've got our previous highs there. We've had a lower high. That price posted a higher high, but we have seen this consolidation, after which we've seen the breakdown from this we've had a consolidative range, after which we did see sell side momentum coming to the market. Now we have tested the 200 period moving average from below. Yes, we have seen this market move to tested the 200 period moving average from below. So a breakdown from which you've mentioned the previous levels that we are looking at. So possibly 23.34, 21.71, and 20.63. Those are levels that we are looking at on the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. So we're just going to have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here. So on the daily chart, we can see on this daily chart, here we go. Let's see, this previous 129 has proved problematic. We were in a bit of a trading range. What we did see was a breakout down in this trading range. So now we've had a pullback here. So if we could potentially post a higher low, we are possibly looking for further upside continuation. If however we do see a break, so we could potentially head upwards. I didn't think I've mentioned this. So we've got a low there, potentially higher low for upside continuation. Or if we do break down from where we are, we'll see our prices. We'll see we'll see how prices are in and around these significant levels that I've pretty much identified earlier. So we'll see whether these levels do hold and we do get a bounce for further upside continuation on the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Now, with that said, I should pretty much wrap up everything in regards to US dollar Canadian dollar. So, thanks for watching.